years, Jack Perkins has been a unique reporter and commentator. Last year, he left the daily grind of television news and moved to an island off the coast of Maine, an island with a population of 2, Jack and his wife.
Now, from that unique vantage point, Jack joins us every Saturday as our commentator. Now, all commentators have to make predictions for the new year. That's their job. But while most of them do it with profound solemnity, Jack does his with his tongue planted firmly in his cheek.
Good morning from the coast of Maine. Tide coming in, high water in about 20 minutes. That's predictable. With a computer and the right formulas, you can figure the tide any place in the world years from now. On the other hand, the weather forecast for this morning said something about bright sunshine. So you sit here in the fog, watching the waves of a brand new year slap the shore, and you wonder, will this new year be as predictable as the tides, or as unpredictable as the weather? Which of the candidates, or which of the non-candidates, will we choose as our president this year? And what difference will it make? 8 years ago, who would have predicted that Ronald Reagan, arch-conservative, denouncer of evil empire, would lead us to sign a treaty with that empire to destroy missiles? 16 years ago, who would have predicted that Richard Nixon would take us to China and himself to disgrace? 20 years ago, Mort Saul was campaigning for Eugene McCarthy. Now, Al Haig? Some things just are not predictable at all. Still, at this time of year, as though by some primal urge, anyone who calls himself a commentator is driven to prophecy. No exception. Predictions. This year, election campaigns will cost more money than ever before to entice only a minority of us to vote. This year, summer will bring political conventions and Olympics, and one of those will produce heroes. Congress will fight more battles over the Contras than the Contras will fight. There will be 2,974,000 stupid lawsuits filed in this country, a nation still that has more lawyers than respect for law. Science will astonish us with achievements, but the more we know, the more we'll know we need to know. And on television this year, there will be moments of transcending beauty and illuminating insight, and there will be pap. Pap will get higher ratings. In all, it will be a year that is maddening and menacing, challenging and inspiring, and as unpredictable as the fog.
Thank you, Jack. You know, somehow I think that these are about the most accurate predictions anyone will make for 1988.
I love the way